Hello guys, so we are now here at the bird's side of Taman Tumbina. So let's go. See, this is the Taman Tumbina. They have this new, right? They don't have like this before. Look at the cages. Yeah, it's getting dark also. We should have been first here, no? No, cannot see. It's okay. There.
No.
Huh?
There's some money in here.
Yeah, why like that? A lot of money. Huh? I don't understand. See that bird there?
I think decides to eat.
This money there? But I don't know. That's the name of that bird. But it's like in the, you can do that labi and hala, so many money. Oh, what is this? I don't understand. Oh, this is the new one that I can. Hala, why am I like this? See, there's a lot of money. Oh, look at that on the ground. I don't know what's the meaning of that, but before we come here, we don't even see even
donations.
Huh?
Donations.
Why like this? Maybe there's something. Nah, here man, there's nothing man for the
Chickens.
chicken. There's nothing for the chicken, only for that hornbill. I don't know, maybe bring them luck-eyed, we don't know. Oh. Hello! Papa mo ng itlog? Pa daw sila ng itlog. Manok man. Hello, manok! Okay. Here are dove. Spotted dove. A lot of like this. A lot of like this common. Even in our house, they go there. This one also common. These are the common bird. Here are rabbit also here, Labi. But yeah, in cage only. Pity them. They are in cage. So come. The cage getting. There are a lot also. So let's go here because these here are the bird side, and I want to know what's the difference of this side now. Yeah. Oh, I think they paint it dark, Labi. Yeah, but they paint it darker. The screen. There. Asian black hornbill. Here is no even 1 ringgit also. I don't know. They like papaya, Labi. This one is new. We have like this pabo. Turkey, right? We have like this before. Turkey.
Gobble gobble.
Turkey. That's the name. My mother. Someone gave my mother 2 turkey before. It's getting dark, man. Hala. Look at this beautiful bird. Oy, this is new, Labi. Hala, look at the face. Oh, my God, very beautiful, man. Oy. Look, krok, krok, krok. Oh my God, it's like a chicken, like I don't know. Grabe ka, nice. Nice ka ika. Here, nothing here.
There it is.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Peacock? Is this a peacock?
Green pea fell.
Oh, let me see. Green pea. That's the name. Wow. Look how beautiful. Grabe, no? The creation of God is really amazing.
Two birds caught in the cage.
So, come, Labi. It's beautiful, very beautiful. First time I've seen that place. God, it's so beautiful. This one beautiful also. Nah. This is like a baby. Like a baby, this one. Baby of a hornbill. Wow. See how amazing? That's their national. Ano? This is the what do you call this one? Representing the Sarawak. Hornbill. Agay ko. Oh my God, look at the what's this? Like a parrot, Labi, oh. Wow. A lot of nice bird now. This the name. Hala, oy, kagwapa man sa bird. Look at that. Wow, very colorful. You see, Labi?
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, what else we can see? Okay, common chicken. Ala, there, oh, gosh. Look here. Agoy, mga manok, oh. Manok panabong, rooster. Rooster. Daming rooster dito, oh. Panabong siguro na. Oh, a lot of new bird, Labi, no? Here, oh, hala, kagwapa, uy. There, oh. There's one. Agoy, kagwapa ba? Yeah, blue and yellow. Macau. Hala, oy. Hello. Hey, can you talk? Wow. Look at that. Ay, grabe naman. Kagwapa naman yung... Ala, a lot also of money here. Look at that, guys. I don't really understand. I don't know why they have to put money here. What is that? There's even one money that is 1,000, maybe Indonesian money, no? Yes, Uy, kagwapa, oy, ginoo ko. Pagka nice naman dere, oy. Grabe. Last time we are here, there's no. Oh, this one, oh, gosh, very nice. Okay, ganahan kay kog kuan. Ganahan kay kog mga colorful na bird. And this is what? Parrot.
African grey.
African grey. A lot of like this in your country.
Yeah. People put them on, make them tame.
Tame?
They can outlive families. They get up to many years old.
Oh? Wow. Hello, Dol. Oh, no. Careful, Abby. Where are we going?
Squirrel.
Squirrel?
On the ground.
Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. It's not focused with that. Ano. So, need to be careful going down. Especially, I'm tired already. My legs is tired. Okay. Labby, watch your step here. There's a dwarf chicken. Hello. Wow, wow, wow. Oh. What is this, gani? See? Wow, wow, they are flying, flying. Very nice. Hello. Hello. Okay. Yeah, all the same. This one is bigger. Hello. Hello. Wow. The other one there. Hello. Are you talking? Huh? You talking? Hello. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you like it. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.